Hey everyone, this is Puneet here, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 useful keyboard shortcuts for pivot tables. So, the first shortcut is for creating a pivot table. So, all you need to do is press Alt N and V. And the moment you do this, it will show you the Create Pivot Table dialog box, and then you need to click OK to create a pivot table in the new worksheet. And if you already have a pivot table and you want to create a pivot chart, all you need to do is select the pivot table and use the shortcut key Alt plus F1. And it will instantly insert pivot chart out of the pivot table in the same worksheet. And if you want to hide some items from the pivot table, all you need to do is select those items and use the shortcut key Control plus minus. So this shortcut key actually filter out those items instead of hiding them. So if you open the filter, you can see those items are unticked. And this shortcut key is my personal favorite. So if you want to refresh your pivot table, there's a shortcut key which you can use, and that's Alt A R R. And if you want to refresh all the pivot tables which you have in your worksheet or in your workbook, so you can use Alt A R A. And if you want to select the entire pivot table, there's a simple shortcut key which is Control A. So it will select the entire pivot table.